Hey, good morning. Back at the field with my FMS P-51. Since the last time out, there's a couple of changes I've done. I swapped out the stock landing gears with the Dave Brown 3-inch wheels here. They're much more better, much more softer. They can absorb the impact on landing and the bumps on the field a lot better than the hard plastic stock ones that come with the plane. The other item actually is the elevator servo. Before, the servo horn for the elevator was on the other side, which basically the same position the same way as the rudder servo. I've since flipped it over so that the horn is facing the other side of the fuse, and the little guide tube here is securely anchored down that little slot back there. So I'm essentially here to get this plane trimmed out. I should only have to do a little bit of elevator trimming. Well, I don't know, maybe I got lucky and the elevator is in the same exact position before I flipped over the servo. So I guess the next video will be the first flight.